Fellow engineers, I been dey house dey suffer with one FRP wey no gree bypass, but I don later do am sha. So na him my boy call me say, come onye nwem, you get wetin dey trouble me for here, I no fit do this one So now I quickly go, because you know say no be everything my boy dey do na him still dey learn. So e come be charging system of 7 plus, iPhone 7 plus. So I have to change the charging board. So I say look well so that in no distant time you go learn this one, dey do am. So he was paying attention while I was doing the work. I disassembled the phone, and now we remove the old one. We are now completing the new one, putting the new one so that the phone can charge. Meanwhile, the customer was there. We were interacting, having some discussion and laughing. I like the customers that can relate with people very well, like the kind of customer that you can relate with, talk and gist with, but you still mean business. So no be when we gist finish you gonna tell me say because say we don talk make I reduce price. When you don reach that one, no be me and you there, you get. So we go feel laugh but when e get to my money, pay my money complete I no dey joke with money. I fit laugh with you, talk with you, relate with you, gist with you, but when you don reach my money, abeg no take am play. No tell me say you wan go come back come pay my money, or you wan pay small come pay later. No. So now I don put the power flex. Sorry, I say power flex, no be power flex. So I don put the charging flex. So now I'm coupling the phone. I don dey tight am one after the other. Meanwhile, my boy dey put screen guide for one girl wey he bin don put screen give. So we just dey do everything small. So who notice say market no dey go now? Any customer wey you meet now wey come your shop, no allow am go. No be say you go do work for free give am but you have to convince every customer now. Learn how to convince customer now if you no sabi because if you still come lose guard for customer wey manage enter your shop for this hard season, na be say you dey lose be that So follow me now, let me test it. Let me look for call and test this work that we just did. This one I wan touch. So this guy needed this thing like as soon as possible, because I even told my boy to tell him to go and come back to just drop the money, that I would fix it once I come to the shop, but he said he wanted it immediately. So imagine I don't have it in my shop now. If I want to order, the guy will not wait. That is why I said it's very important to have parts in your shop. It's very, very important. If not that I have this thing now, I wouldn't have done this job. So share this video and wait for my next video.